In this video we have a look at how to determine the midpoint of a line segment joining 2 points, in this case A and B. The first thing we'll do is we'll put the coordinates for A and B next to them, so we've got the first point A as x1, y1 and the second point B as x2, y2. And we'll label the matching x values and y values for those points on the x and y axis. Now, to determine the midpoint, what we can do is determine halfway along the x-axis between our two x values, and that's as simple as working out the average of those x values. So we add them together, x1 and x2, and we divide by 2. And we do the same thing on the y-axis to determine halfway between our y values. So those results give us the midpoint. So our x value of our midpoint is x1 plus x2 all divided by 2, and the y value is y1 plus y2 all divided by 2. Let's have a look at an example now how we determine a midpoint. So our 2 points are 3, -8 and 9, -2. To determine our x value of the midpoint, we add together 3 and 9 and divide that by 2. And to determine the y value, we add -8 and -2 and divide that by 2. So the x value is 12 divided by 2, which is 6, and the y value is -10 divided by 2, which is -5. So our midpoint is 6, -5.